welcome to my channel, you guys. I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for Sunday, December 23rd to December 29th. Now, as you guys know it's going to be kind of a slow week unless you have some last minute Christmas shopping, but looking through their ad, there's just not much going on. But that's okay, you know, it's nice to just take a break. But as you guys see on the front page, they have buy two, get one free toys. Those are $6.99. I usually like to get those toys when they're on clearance, which is usually sometime in the late winter. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But they do have some other items. They got pistachios for $5.99. They got the Nice brand garbage bags or sandwich bags. Buy one, get two free. So they're $2.79 a piece. That comes out to be less than $1 a piece. So there's freezer and sandwich, and then the trash bags, which is 4 or 8 gallons. So if you guys need some of that stuff, that is a great price. They have Crest toothpaste for $2.99, and then there's going to be a $2 off coupon, making it 99 cents. That's an okay deal, but I mean, if you guys really need it, I say go for it, but otherwise it's an okay deal. DiGiorno pizza is buy one, get one free. We do not have a coupon. They got some candies and other stuff. A lot of their Christmas stuff is going on clearance the day after. They're going to be 50% off the day after Christmas. So, it's hard to say, but they got this stuff for $6.99, which is an okay deal. They got some nuts, buy one, get one 50% off, 2 for $4. Not much is really popping out at you. Here they got some more food. They didn't go crazy with food this time, which is okay. But here they got Puffs tissues and Dawn dish soap for 99 cents. We don't have any coupons for that, but there might be a digital coupon. I'm not sure on that, but otherwise they got some stuff like that. They got some stuff for Christmas, for last minute Christmas gifts for $9.99, but that stuff's just regular price. They say it's on sale, but it's not. And then we got some beauty products. They do got Revlon. If you spend $15, you get a $3 worth of points. Now CoverGirl is buy one get one 50% off, but there is no register reward for that. So just want to give you guys a heads up with that. Shampoo, conditioner, they got Garnier Fructis 2 for $7. There's going to be a 4 off of 2 coupon. That's an online coupon if you guys are interested in that. Nice and Easy is 2 for $14. Now we do have those buy one get one free coupons, but according to Ibotta, that deal will not be around by the time the sale starts. So just saying, you guys might not be able to do that deal. Dentex is buy one get one free. They got their Yardley soap for 69 cents. Now that is a coupon. You can also clip it to your card, and then it'll come off automatically. So got that going on. And now we got medicines. Sorry, my kid's playing with trains in the background, but nothing really popping out. They do have that Super Crayon lip balm. I don't know what the price is for it, but it does say if you buy 2, you get 1,000 points. Now we do have those $1 off coupons that are in the Walgreens booklet, or in the coupons.com. So if you guys are interested in something like that, and this is a very little ad, you guys. It's only like 17 pages. And here is the last page of the ad. So they got Kellogg's cereal, $1.88, and Pop-Tarts, $1.88. Candy bars, 4 for $5. Some nuts for $3.99. Whitman's is $4.99. So there is that. So I just wanted to share with you guys on stuff that they got on sale. I hope to see you guys all later, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.